Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by enabling and selecting the emoji input so you can type immediately. This is the only way to insert standard emojis from the keyboard. Open the app and tap the text field to show the keyboard. Once the keyboard is visible, switch to the emoji panel using the globe or smiley key. This selects the emoji layout. Make sure language and permissions allow the extra keyboard. If you do this first, you avoid copy-paste and third-party steps and stay in one workflow. You locate the emoji you need by browsing categories or using the search field. That is faster than scrolling long menus. Tap an emoji to insert it. If you need a variant like a skin tone, long press and choose the option. Once done, create compound glyphs by inserting a second emoji or using zero-width joiner sequences where supported. This forms family or profession combinations. Make sure to insert in the correct order, because the keyboard composes combined emoji based on sequence and available font support. You finish by reviewing how the emoji renders in your message. Variations exist across platforms, so double-check on the target device when possible. If an emoji or combined glyph doesn't appear, update your operating system or the keyboard app because new emoji require font support. Once updated, the same keyboard workflow produces the symbol. If problems persist, simplify the sequence, resend, or send a screenshot. This ensures reliable communication and avoids unexpected blank boxes or unsupported glyphs in
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.